video, I'm going to show how to fix Attack Shark X11 device sleep. First of all, adjust power settings. Go to settings on your device, find power management or sleep settings, increase the sleep timeout or set it to never if available. Then disable battery optimization for key apps. Go to settings, battery optimization, find apps related to Attack Shark or gaming. Set them to not optimized to prevent the system from putting them to sleep. Then update device firmware and software. Check for any available system updates and install them. Updates often fix bugs causing sleep issues. Close background apps. Too many apps running can cause the device to sleep or lag. Close unnecessary apps to free up resources. Check for screen timeout settings. Navigate to display settings. Adjust screen timeout to a longer duration. Reset device settings. Back up your data. Perform a factory reset. From settings, system, reset. This clears any misconfigurations causing sleep problems.